So I started to need some longer, bigger hardware for my RC car. And what did I do? I went on Amazon, started doing some searching, and I saw this set with long hardware, and I thought, oh, it's got a whole lot of cool things in there, plus longer hardware. That's a perfect fit for me. So I got it, and I'm looking at it. Not so sure it's a perfect fit, so I wanted to tell you about it, tell you about what I found. And so if you take a look at it, it's got a lot of nuts. These are nylock nuts, so that's really nice, that's good. Body pins, washers, drive pins for the wheels, all those things, really good and helpful. I'd actually say the kit's worth it just for those. The hardware itself, not sure whose version of long this is. These look very average to me. They do not look long in any way, shape, or form. Useful, average useful, probably 90% of your usages are here. The really long ones that I was looking for are those like small percentage pieces, and they're not in this kit. But in any case, as a kit, I would say it's pretty good. I would say it's definitely pretty good. As a kit with long hardware, not so much. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.